Renee from Party Host Helpers, and I have a really cute recipe idea for you for Christmas this year. They're called Elves hats, and we're gonna start with bugles. Your Ghirardelli chocolate, they make an awesome bag of white discs. White chocolate, you can just throw it in the microwave, melt it for 30 to 60 seconds. You're gonna get some red and green sprinkles, some red and green M&Ms, and here we go. So you're gonna take a bugle, dip it in, it's the perfect hat shape. Dip it in your red and green sprinkles. Add a little M&M, and it's perfect. Keep following Party Host Helpers for more great tips. Happy holidays!